So here are the Shtieblech, as you can see the sign in Hebrew with the Magen David, the Star of David, above the door. And here is the old sign, Beis HaKnesset, the Shul, Shtieblech, Katamon. This is the neighborhood known as Katamon. This building here, originally it seems like there were 4 different shuls in here. My understanding is that there was a Talmud Torah, a branch of the Eitz Chaim Yeshiva from the Rehov Yafa had a branch in that room over there. This was built or it became a shul in 1948 after the war, 1948 war. It was redeemed. This used to be a Christian Arab neighborhood of wealthy people, and then since it was liberated, we won the war, it became a Jewish neighborhood, and they built a mikveh, men's mikveh in the back. A person named Shlesinger was the one who refurbished the building. This is a Minyan factory, like you have in Borough Park, Chabad Shul, and 770, and such shuls all over. This is, and as you see people coming in, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and people are coming in. And here is a yard, people are sitting and learning, and there is a view of the street. And this is the Katamon area, right over here. You see the posters, famous posters on the wall like they have in Geula, Meir Shorim, and this is it.